Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Please come. Clothes.
Big round of applause, please. Ma'am, few words, ma'am.
So you bless us like we used to do it. Yeah.
I don't have any words to say, like the way they have invited us, they have called for such a good occasion. They are remembering us like anything after 29 years or so. I have joined the school in '84, that time this batch was in post-standard. And I have a very small relation with them for 1 year. Then I must have seen them in a farewell party, that's all. Then too they have remembered me a lot. Some of them just now they have called me PT Usha also because I used to like them PT. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Big round of applause, please. Can we have a Gomti Miss? Most senior person, and it will be privileged to bring her up this list. Madam, please. Ma'am, thank you. In spite of your bad health, you have made it, and it was really a blessing to meet you.
Next. Please.
Big round of applause, please. Madam, few words, please.
Really grateful to the students of Nani English High School to conduct this workshop. 74 I joined in this school. And actually it was in Chhatrapati Shivaji Society. Small, sharp classroom, only 4 classrooms. Not small children. And now all the children are grown. They are standing on the orange tree. They all come up in bright colors and are talking about the beauty of the problem. Oh my darling, students of Nani English High School. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling, students of Nani English High School. They will come and shine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling, students of Nani English High School.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
That they have become, they have reached to such heights that now it has become a famous school in Thane. Thanks everyone.
Thank you, miss. Thanks a lot. Principal, sir, please come on stage. Welcome, sir.
Yes, please, sir.
Sir, can you have a few words, please, sir?
Wait, wait.
Good evening and welcome to all. Our pleasure here. You are all invited our ex-teachers and legendary ghost teacher working in the school since 1991. When we passed out SSC in 1991, I was also a student of there.
Same here, sir. Benchmate.
I was a student of BA and in 2005 I joined the school as a principal. But I have really pleasure that you have reunited and invited all teachers. It's my really pleasure and I'm so thankful you all brought together all the extended families. All my best wishes to you and your family members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Big round of applause, sir.
Big round of applause for our principal.
One by one. Excuse me, please. बस आप बोल
Thank you, miss. Thank you. Thank you, please.
please.
Nani स्कूलचा मी काय काय त्रास दिला त्याबद्दल मला सांगायला सांगितलेलं आहे. मी बराच त्रास दिला आहे विद्यार्थ्यांना. कारण हायकिंगला नेत असताना डोंगरावर चढायला लावायचं किंवा जंगलात फिरायला लावायचं विद्यार्थ्यांना त्याचा खूप त्रास झाला असेल. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनी तुम्ही जो त्रास सहन केलात त्याचं ते चांगलं फळ आज तुम्हाला बघायला मिळते त्याबद्दल मी तुमचा आभारी आहे. धन्यवाद.
दोन शब्द बोलायचे. सारांनी तेव्हा त्रास दिल्यामुळे आज तुमच्याबरोबर
Come close.
आणि दोन शब्द.
Good evening to you all. This badge is very special badge for me because never I have treated these children as a student. Always I thought they all are my children and by that right only I used to scold them. and which the book I got it today, that all are very, very on the top of the post, and I wish all them to be more and more the rise. Thank you. मराठीमध्ये बोलायचं झालं तर ही सगळी मुलं माझी विद्यार्थी नाही. मी कधीही या मुलांची विद्यार्थी या नात्याने वागली नाही. ही बॅच माझ्यासाठी फार स्पेशल आहे, विशेष बॅच. अगदी मराठीतच पूर्ण बोलायचं झालं, ही विशेष बॅच आहे. त्याच्यामुळे ह्या मुलांच्यासाठी केव्हाही कधीही त्यांनी मी असेपर्यंत हात मारली तरी मी त्यांना मदत करायला जाईल. आणि यांना मी कधीही धन्यवाद करणार नाही, हा माझा हक्क आहे. त्यांनी मला बोलवायचं आणि मी त्यांना बोलवायचं, सो मी कधीही त्यांना थँक्स म्हणणार नाही.
मुलं म्हणतात आम्ही त्याला आई म्हणतो, आणि आमची काही टीचर नाही, ही आमची आई आहे. आम्ही न बोलवतो त्याला याच लागेल आणि आम्ही त्यांना काही थँक्स सांगणार नाही.
आणि सुनीता, तू केव्हा येऊ शकता असं काही नाही.